Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be making this super cute Halloween sign. This would be a perfect addition to a drink station at a Halloween party, so if you want to make one for yourself, I'm going to show you guys how right now. Just keep watching. The first thing you're going to need is the wooden canvas. They sell these at Dollarama for super cheap. I grabbed the 12 by 12 and it was $4. And then I'm going to be using some wood stain we just had around from another DIY, and we're going to do the back, the sides, the front, and the inner lip. We're going to leave that open part blank because we're going to be painting that anyway, and obviously use gloves with this. I didn't have any gloves, so I was using the plastic from the canvas and a plastic bag, but it was not working out very well and I ended up having to scrub my hands at the end. I picked up this matte white paint and letters from Michaels. The paint was $1.50 and the letters were $4.99, but I did use 40% off coupon, so this is actually a very inexpensive craft. And I'm just laying all my letters out here just to make sure that I had enough. I did buy 2 bags, but you only need the 1 bag. And then I'm going to be painting all of these white. You can paint these any color you want. You can also just paint the canvas instead of staining it, or you can leave it with the raw wood. It's really up to you what you want to do with this. You can do anything that you like. Next, we are going to be painting the inside of the canvas, and I felt like matte black would really make the white letters stand out, so I chose matte black and I just applied 2 to 3 coats just to make sure that it all looked consistent, and then we are ready to go. I didn't sand my canvas before I started because it did look pretty smooth, but once I applied the wood stain it was pretty obvious that it needed a good sanding, so instead of starting again because I was already pretty far, I decided to just apply a layer of matte Mod Podge around the trim just so that at least the front isn't like scratchy and it has more of a clean look. And then I decided to take my letters now that they're dry and just place them to make sure that I liked the placement before I actually glued them down. I wanted to make sure that they had equal spacing and that they were straight on the canvas. And then I just grabbed some E6000 and a little toothpick, and because you do not want to get that on your hands, and then I just glued each individual letter down. I felt like this sign wouldn't be complete without some sort of little ghost on there, and they had these wooden shapes at the dollar store as well, so I decided to put one on. I thought that 2 might have filled up the space better, but I ended up liking how just the single ghost by itself looked, so I did paint 2 just in case I wanted to do 2, but I ended up just putting 1. I then decided the layout that I liked and glued it down again with E6000, and that quite literally is the entire DIY. It only took me a couple of hours and I think it looks super duper cute. I cannot wait to put it out this Halloween. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you guys next week.